Hey everyone, welcome back to PartsHnC. Today, we're tackling an essential home maintenance task, draining your water heater. Sediment buildup in the tank can reduce efficiency, spike your energy bills, and even shorten the lifespan of your heater. In this quick 2-minute guide, we'll show you how to drain a water heater and share some pro tips to keep your water heater in top shape. Let's dive in. Before you start, you'll need an adjustable wrench, a garden hose, a bucket or drain pan, and safety gloves. Having these ready will save you time and hassle. Draining your water heater removes sediment and mineral deposits that can clog the tank, reduce heating efficiency, and cause corrosion. Here's how to do it. First, turn off the power supply. For electric heaters, switch off the breaker. For gas heaters, set the control knob to pilot. Next, shut off the cold water inlet valve by turning it clockwise. Locate the drain valve near the bottom of the tank, attach a garden hose, and direct it to a drain or outside. Open a hot water faucet to let air into the system for smoother draining. Slowly open the drain valve. Watch out, the water may be hot. Drain 2 to 3 gallons for a quick flush or 10 to 20 gallons until the water runs clear. If sediment remains, close the valve, partially fill the tank, and drain again. Once done, close the drain valve, shut the faucet, and restore the power. Finally, check for leaks around the valve and connections. Pro tip: drain every 6 to 12 months, especially in hard water areas, to boost efficiency and longevity. For a more detailed guide, visit our blog, How to Drain a Water Heater, a step-by-step guide. It's packed with insights to keep your system running smoothly. Follow us on social media for quick tips and the latest home care hacks. Need water heater parts? Shop high-quality water heater replacements to keep it running efficiently. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.